Most retailers treat Shopify POS like a simple register, but it hides powerful features that transform operations. You can fully customize the Smart Grid from your Shopify Admin, reorder your tiles, highlight high-priority actions like returns, and push the updated layout instantly to every tablet across all your retail locations. Your staff immediately sees the new interface. This speeds up daily workflows and helps prevent costly mistakes at the counter. What about moving inventory between stores? Shopify makes it incredibly easy. Your team can manage multi-location transfers directly from the tablet. When a request comes in, they can select the transfer, review what's needed, and prepare to ship. They just pick the exact variants off the floor, confirm the quantities, and create the shipment. And they can even print a professional packing slip right from the POS, so the receiving store knows exactly what's inside. When the transfer arrives, the destination store simply selects the incoming shipment, reviews the physical items against the manifest, and accepts them directly into local inventory. Need to do a cycle count? You don't need expensive barcode scanners. Staff can use the tablet's camera to scan items, or simply tap to adjust stock levels instantly using the Quick Count app. Every inventory change syncs in real time across your entire business, helping keep stock counts accurate. Shopify POS isn't just a checkout. It's a complete retail management system.